Did you think creating digital products for Etsy would be easy? I did. I spent 6 months researching successful Etsy sellers, analyzing their products. But it was such a struggle. I wish I'd known how to do it smarter with the right tools and strategy. Here's the thing. Most people think you need to be super artistic or have tons of startup money to create products that actually sell on Etsy. But successful sellers aren't necessarily the most creative ones. They're the ones who know how to use the right tools efficiently. So to help you make digital product creation easier, here are 6 game-changing strategies I learned using Gelato's AI features that will help you create products that can generate consistent monthly income. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Gelato's AI-powered tools to create professional digital products, set up automated systems that work while you sleep, and build a sustainable Etsy business, even if you've never sold anything online before. The traditional way of creating digital products is honestly exhausting. You either spend hours learning design software, pay hundreds for stock photos, or hire designers at $50 to $100 per design. But Gelato's AI changes everything because it can generate world-class product images unique to your brand without any photo shoot required. First, go to gelato.com and clicking the sign up button. Then we continue by creating your account using your email or connecting with Google for faster setup. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Gelato dashboard with options to connect your store. Click Connect Store and select Etsy from the list of supported platforms. Follow the authorization process to link your Etsy account. Gelato will request permission to manage your products and handle order fulfillment automatically. If you don't have an Etsy store yet, don't worry. Gelato provides step-by-step instructions to create your Etsy seller account right from their platform. After connecting, you'll see your store dashboard showing order management, product catalog, and analytics. This is your command center for your entire t-shirt business. Set up your payment information and shipping preferences. Gelato handles all the complex international shipping calculations automatically. Here's what most people don't know. Gelato offers a completely free plan to get started. You only pay when you make sales, which means zero upfront investment to test your business idea. Oh, and I have the link to try Gelato in the description below. The setup process will literally amaze you with how professional it is. But wait until you see how to research profitable t-shirt niches. Step 2. Researching your niche market for t-shirts. Now here comes my most game-changing discovery, finding exactly what t-shirt designs are making serious money right now. When I first used Etsy search data to research funny cat t-shirts, I literally found designs with thousands of sales and discovered specific phrases that customers were actively searching for. I literally realized most sellers are guessing instead of following actual market demand. First, we start by opening Etsy and using the search bar to research trending t-shirt categories. Then we continue by analyzing successful listings to understand what's actually selling. Type funny t-shirts in Etsy search and look at the results. Pay attention to listings with high sales numbers. These show proven demand. Click on successful listings to analyze their titles, descriptions, and customer reviews. Look for specific niches like dog mom shirts, nurse humor tees, gaming t-shirts, or motivational workout shirts. These targeted niches often have passionate customers willing to pay premium prices. Use the filters on the left side to sort by best selling and most recent to see what's trending right now versus what has consistent long-term demand. Check customer reviews for insights into what people love about successful designs. Look for comments about fit, quality, and specific design elements that resonate. Research research seasonal trends like Christmas teacher shirts, summer vacation tees, or back-to-school mom shirts. These can generate massive sales during peak seasons. Here's what most people don't know. Niche-specific t-shirts often sell for $5 to $15 more than generic designs because they target specific communities and interests. My secret tip: look for niches where people identify strongly with a group or lifestyle. Teachers, nurses, dog owners, fitness enthusiasts. These customers actively seek products that represent their identity. But the real magic happens when you create designs using Gelato's AI tools. Step 3, creating your mockups and descriptions with AI. Now here comes my most obsessed with feature. Watching Gelato's AI create professional t-shirt designs and product descriptions that convert. When I first used Gelato's AI design tools to create a Dog Mom Life t-shirt, the AI literally generated multiple design variations, professional mockups, and compelling product descriptions in under 10 minutes. I literally stared at results that looked like they came from a professional design agency. First, we start by navigating to Gelato's Create Product section and selecting single products from the product catalog. Over here, we have all of these products, but I'm going to go to the women's clothing. You can choose men's or women's options for unisex products. And now we are here in our products. Over here, we can selecting multiple colors and different sizes. Now we can upload or drop our design here. Then we can adjust the size of the image, and we make sure the size will not exceed outside in the image box line. Then we see the image are now in the different colors. And now we can continue to mockups. Here, select any mockups for your different products and you can get different colors that we've generated. The amazing part is we can make a mockup AI. It is very useful to create our own mockup with the help of AI. Here, I will select flat lay, and here the AI already put the mockup prompts for me. Then click Generate Mockup. Now this is the looks of our amazing mockup. Then click Add Mockup. Once you select your favorite design, Gelato automatically creates professional mockups showing your design on different t-shirt colors and styles. These become your Etsy listing photos. Now here's the super cute part. Click AI description and watch Gelato generate compelling product descriptions optimized for Etsy SEO. The AI analyzes your design and creates descriptions that include relevant keywords and emotional triggers. The AI description includes product benefits, target audience appeal, and suggested use cases that help customers visualize themselves wearing your design. Here's what most people don't know. You can edit and customize both the AI-generated designs and descriptions to match your brand voice and style preferences. My pro tip: generate 3 to 5 design variations for each concept, then test which ones get the most favorites and views on Etsy before investing in paid advertising. But wait until you see how to price these designs for maximum profit. Step 4. Creating your pricing strategy based on your research. Now, here comes my most exciting moment: developing a pricing strategy that maximizes profits while staying competitive. When I first used Gelato's profit calculator to price my t-shirt products, I literally discovered I could charge $24.99 and still maintain a healthy profit margin while undercutting competitors charging $29.99. I literally realized pricing strategy could make or break my entire business. First, click Continue to Prices, and we see here a lot of tools are very helpful. Here, click the checkbox for shipping cost, and over here we can see the product costs, shipping costs, and estimate the profit that you will get depending on the margin that you want to generate. So let's say I want to generate a 20% and click update. And then all of the prices and different products will change. And here you'll see the estimated profit are automatically updated. That all it works in one click. Then click continue to review. And finally, these are all the details of our different products. Here's what most people don't know. You can offer volume discounts or bundle deals to increase average order value. Gelato supports multiple product bundles automatically. My secret weapon? Create tiered pricing with basic designs at competitive prices and premium designs with unique concepts at higher price points. This captures both budget-conscious and premium customers. I'm literally so excited about how Gelato has revolutionized t-shirt design and fulfillment. I've been totally obsessed with this platform because it literally eliminates every barrier between having a design idea and running a profitable global t-shirt business. The AI design tools combined with automatic printing and shipping make this the perfect time to start. You can try Gelato yourself using the link I've included in the description below. The platform offers a free plan to get started, and you only pay when you make sales, which makes it perfect for testing new design ideas without upfront investment. If you want to see more tutorials like this, where I break down exactly how to build real online businesses using specific design strategies, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'm constantly testing new tools and strategies that can help you create multiple income streams. And honestly, I'm so excited to see what you create with Gelato. Drop a comment below and let me know what botanical design you're going to create first. Are you going with the eucalyptus collection I showed you, or do you have another plant in mind? I read every single comment and love seeing your progress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where I'm going to show you advanced Etsy SEO strategies that can double your traffic in 30 days. It's going to be incredible.